Over the years, we come across some fashion trends that are well accepted by some people and not welcomed by others. For instance, take a look at these outfits worn by the famous Sex and the City star, Sarah Jessica Parker. According to many people, it is now understandable how these outfits became such a popular and loved thing. Thousands of fashion trends split people's opinions whether it is a good or terrible trend. That's the case with Crocs. Did you guys know that Crocs were originally boat shoes? Well, in today's video, we'll discuss how Crocs became an unlikely fashion success. Number 4. Appearance and rise. Crocs were first presented at the 2002 Fort Lauderdale Boat Show. After that, Crocs grew to a casual fashion and were usually used by nurses and people who work long hours on their feet. Crocs are also used for outdoor activities such as gardening. Back in 2002, Crocs produced 200 pieces and sold them all. So sorry for every fashionista who does not approve Crocs and has to hear this, but the brand has sold over 300 million pairs of shoes since then. From casual fashion, Crocs grew to something more exceeding. Back in 2007, Crocs weren't embraced at all, and because of that, the company was on the edge of bankruptcy. Well, Andrew Rees is the guy that didn't let bankruptcy occur. He used collaborations with a lot of celebrities, artists, and fashion designers. You remember the rapper Post Malone singing about $1,000 Crocs? A lot of TikTok stars are also showing them off, and well, teenagers are crazy about them. All that thanks to Andrew Rees. The other thing that saved Crocs is, according to Andrew, the mega trend for personalization. As you all know, Crocs appear in every color and can be personalized with charms the company offers called gibbets. Social media can put a lot of impact on teenagers, and well, great marketing is a powerful tool too. That's why Crocs company is on social media and through social media all the time. Number 3. Best collaborations. As we said, Crocs weren't always a fashionista choice. Now things have changed. Over the past years, Crocs developed a tremendous rise in streetwear and high fashion worlds. The product that many people either love or hate was named as one of the worst inventions by Time magazine. But it was also named the 7th favorite footwear brand among US teens in 2019. Let's go over the brand's best collaborations that brought Crocs to the success it has now. Balenciaga. Balenciaga is one of the most popular brands in the world, and in 2017, the creator-director Demna Gvasalia used a pair of 5-inch Crocs on the runway in Paris. The release price was $850, and the models were immediately sold out. Demna then said, "It's light, and in the future, you will be able to 3D print them at home because they are all one piece. We are using a one-piece foam mold, and working with these kinds of materials is very Balenciaga." What do you guys think about Balenciaga Crocs? Post Malone, Dimitri, and Classic Clog. When Post Malone collaborated with Crocs in 2018, the price reached up to $900. And Malone was quick to support the high price as he stated, "If you want something, go get it. I wear Crocs everywhere, from the bar to the stage, and I felt it was the perfect collaboration to get together with Crocs and give the fans what they've been asking for." According to fans, they are not quite sure where they said they needed Malone to do a collaboration with Crocs, but okay. Oh, and before he collaborated with Crocs, Post Malone tweeted, "You can tell a lot about a man by the gibbets in his Crocs." Pizza Slime Crocs Mock Crossbody Bag. We were quite confused about this one too. The release price tag was $300, and the more you look at it, the weirder it gets. Is it a bag? Is it a shoe? Let's find out. Pizza Slime collaborated with Crocs in 2019, and it's definitely a bag, featured in black and yellow colorway. People were quick to judge about this so-called bag, saying which part of this would make you say, "Yes, this is how I choose to represent myself today." Would you guys ever wear this? We would love to hear your opinion on this one. Beams. In 2019, Crocs decided to collaborate with the Japanese brand Beams, and they made 3 variations of the I love it, I hate it footwear. The first one shows a classic pocket clog, the second one is a classic sun visor clog, and the third is a classic fringe clog. There was also a variety of women's-only silhouettes featured in the collection: platform embossed clogs and the Isabella glitter sandals. When you compare these to the before-mentioned bag shoe thing, they look quite normal, right? Barney's punk-studded rubber clogs. Also released in 2019, the luxury department store Barney's New York presented two punk-inspired variations of Crocs. The first one includes metal decorations such as large metal spikes and safety pins, and of course a chain. And the other one is covered in metal studs and spikes in a light blue denim color. They will cost you $90. Pizza Slime glow-in-the-dark clog. We go back to the weird bag shoe brand Pizza Slime. This time they released a collaboration just for Crocs Day, which is October 23rd. The model was in limited edition, and it contained the letters that spell out "Croc Day is lit," and each pair appeared as a mystery order that will add a UV light for a bigger surprise. Chinatown Market turf-lined clogs. Have you guys ever walked on grass and felt really good? It looks like the collaboration between Crocs and Chinatown Market wanted to give you that feeling with these grass-covered Crocs. The footwear that includes a green turf applique and the rest of the clog is black, and it features a Chinatown Market's logo, smiley face. The pair costs $60 and was released in January 2019. These were some of the best Crocs collaborations, which were part of the reason for the transformation of the hated footwear into a fashion item. But in 2020, Crocs noticed a huge comeback. Let's go through some of the reasons why Crocs became so popular in 2020. Number 2. Comeback in 2020. It looks like the coronavirus pandemic didn't stop people from buying more Crocs. While some think that you should only wear Crocs when no one is watching you, others are proud to show them in front of others. And many people who considered them ugly said that in the middle of a pandemic, it's the perfect thing to own as they're super comfortable. The brand sold an amazing number of Crocs since the beginning of the pandemic, thanks to the amazing social media marketing. We've seen many celebrities wear Crocs, such as Rihanna, Kate Middleton, Priyanka Chopra, and Jack Nicholson. But Crocs Company is also helping people who love this footwear because of how comfortable it is. Since March 25, 2020, we've donated over 860,000 pairs of shoes globally to healthcare workers on the front lines of COVID-19. We are still humbled to have seen such an incredible response from healthcare workers themselves, as well as our fans, followers, partners, and media. Thank you to everyone who helped make this possible. That was written on the Crocs website. Great job, Crocs! Number 1. Teenagers just love Crocs. Crocs are the 13th most popular footwear brand between female teens, according to Piper Jaffray's spring survey in 2019. It grew from 30th in 2017, and in 2018, it was ranked 12th. As we saw earlier, the brand is experimenting with its product, and experimentation is what drives to success. Enabling them to stand out is always a good idea. "It's been a wonderful time for us," said Terrence Riley, the company's chief marketing officer. "Teens are a big driver for our brand. They spend a lot, and youth culture drives culture. Teenagers admit that this footwear's popularity won't stop, but that doesn't mean its status of being ugly has disappeared. It's not shocking that Crocs are one of the most hated and loved footwear in the world. So many people are sharing their opinions. There's this group on Facebook named 'I don't care how comfortable Crocs are, you look like a dumbass,' which has more than 1.2 million fans. It's quite interesting that one of the most popular brands in the world is so hated, yet used more and more as it grows in popularity. Crocs hit the things that are important to consumers. The consumer is moving away from the conventional idea of beauty, and at the same time, they're definitely investing in products that are comfortable to the touch and comfortable to wear. Right now, that generation of the consumer does not feel beholden to a certain style standard that generations of the past have," said Jocelyn Thornton, the senior vice president of the Donger Group, which projects all kinds of fashion trends. Other reasons why Crocs are being so popular is because they are easy to clean and smell resistant. The footwear is fashionable now, but it's hard to tell whether Crocs will be capable to hold its success over the next years. Guys, that was all for the story about how Crocs became an unlikely fashion success. Have you ever owned a pair of Crocs? Don't forget to share your opinion about Crocs in the comments section below. We hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos such as this. And always, thanks for watching, guys.